looking like it's going to storm up here at Cavalier too. That's not my truck. That's another guy's truck. My truck's in the garage getting worked on. There's mine. There's my old truck. There's my current truck. Man, it's going to rain up here before long. There's my other old truck up here at the shop. There's two of my old trucks getting my truck fixed. Cavalier getting my truck worked on. Had a problem with air to air. And now we're replacing the clearance light. Up top there. One of them days. Got to Bungie in Decatur last night at 6 o'clock. Didn't get out of there to midnight. So therefore, I couldn't make my delivery. That's my first load of the week, which sucks. Every time I come up here, I got to talk about all my dead soldiers. My old dead trucks. And this green one here, man, it was the ride. It looks rough, but that bitch would scream. 181, damn, something's got a bird nest up there. It scared the shit out of me. It might look rough, but this motherfucker would cook, boy. Then we had a driver that was in it, his name was Charlie, he died. He was a good guy. Charlie was a hell of a guy. And there's my baby. Still got all my ground effects lights on it and everything. Yep, all my lights, all my LEDs. All my LEDs. Boy, me and this truck's been through hell together. Here's the hardwood floor I put in her. I miss that old truck. Well, I'll update when I'm heading home. Peace out. Like, share, subscribe. We got to get these subscribers up, guys. I keep getting stuck at 2,400. I'll get up to 2,410. Next thing I look, I'm down to 2,400 again. I don't know if YouTube's shadow banning me or something like that, but something's going on. So everybody subscribe. Let's show YouTube we can get it up to 3,000. Peace.